Wondering what to serve as a delightful treat this Christmas? Let's introduce Festive Meringue Kisses, a light, sweet delight that can be color customized to fit the holiday theme. These treats are a perfect addition to your festive table. Stay tuned to learn how to whip up these sweet, light, and festive meringue kisses. Creating these delightful treats starts with simple, quality ingredients. We're using egg whites for fluffiness, sugar for sweetness, cream of tartar for stability, and food coloring for festive flair. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to start the fun part, the process. Creating meringue kisses is a fun and straightforward process. Let's break it down into easy-to-follow steps. First things first, grab some egg whites. You'll want to beat those until they're frothy. You're looking for a nice, light texture that reminds you of fresh snow. Next, it's time to gradually add sugar. Keep beating those egg whites while you do. This is where the magic happens. As you continue to beat, your mixture will start to form stiff peaks. Now here's a little secret ingredient for added stability, cream of tartar. Just a sprinkle will do. This will ensure your meringue kisses hold their shape. Finally, it's time for the fun part, adding food coloring. Fold it gently into your mixture. This will give your meringue kisses that festive touch. Once you've got your mix ready, pipe it onto a baking sheet. Bake until crisp and voila! With these simple steps, you have created your very own festive meringue kisses. So, to recap, making meringue kisses is a fun and easy way to add a festive touch to your holiday treats. Their light and airy texture coupled with the sweet taste make them a perfect treat for Christmas. Quality ingredients and precise steps are the secret to perfect meringue kisses. Patience in the mixing process and careful baking yield the best results. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy recipes. Enjoy your festive meringue kisses and have a Merry Christmas!